Hi guys, in this video we talk about nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro. It's launched on April 2025. The dimensions of nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro: height 6.46 inch with 3.07 inch, plus 7.8 mm, the weight of 185 grams, the build front glass, plastic back and plastic frame. The display of nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro from with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.77 inch with 86.7% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1080p with 388 ppi density. The refresh rate is 120 Hz with 3000 nits peak spread. It comes with Panda Glass protection. The platform kits come with Android 15 operating system. The chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro. The CPU is octa-core Cortex A78 2.5 GHz. The GPU is Mali G650. The memory of nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro. It comes with 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB, 256 GB ROM, and it's for micro SD card. Camera of nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro. It comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 50 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom. And the front camera is 16 megapixel for 4K 30 fps video with rear cameras. The battery backup of CMF Phone 2 Pro. It comes with 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast wired charging, 5 watt reverse wired charging. The features of nothing CMF Phone Pro. It comes with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, stereo speakers, USB Type-C, fingerprint on the display, UFS 2.2, and IP64 dust water flash resistance. The nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro price is $350.